Overwhelmed by messy, disconnected data? Imagine transforming chaos into clarity, boosting decision-making and ROI in the process. That's what lean data governance is all about. Hi, I am Knarik Badalian from PiLog Group. Today, we'll explore how lean data governance simplifies data management for better decisions and business outcomes. Here is what you'll learn. What lean data governance is, real-world example at its impact, how it improves ROI with practical steps you can take today. What is lean data governance? Lean data governance is a simplified, efficient approach to managing data. It focuses on the essentials, avoiding unnecessary complexity while ensuring data is accurate, accessible, and actionable. While lean, it eliminates redundant processes and focuses only on value-driven activities, just like how lean manufacturing reduces waste to maximize efficiency. Key components are focused policies, minimal but effective processes, strategic use of automation tools. Let's look at a common challenge. Imagine a manufacturing company struggling with inconsistent supplier data. Orders are delayed, costs rise, and decisions are slow because teams can't trust their data. With lean data governance, they streamlined supplier data into a single source of truth, reducing errors by 60% and cutting procurement delays in half. By reducing redundant processes, teams save time and focus on what really matters. Accurate data means fewer costly mistakes. Reliable data leads to smarter, faster decisions that directly impact the bottom line. Here is our step-by-step guide. First of all, assess your current data. Then identify bottlenecks and areas where data processes are failing. Prioritize essential processes. Focus only on data management tasks that drive business value. Adopt automation tools. Use smart tools to streamline repetitive tasks. Train your team. Ensure all stakeholders understand the importance of lean data governance. To sum it up, we covered what lean data governance is, its real-world applications, and how it improves ROI. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights like this. In our next video, we'll dive into the best practices for secure digital future. Don't miss it.